Welcome back to Coyote Classics. I'm Dalton.
I'm Chad.
And today we have the best cropping of new muscle car inventory that we're gonna check out. I think probably some of the best selections of muscle cars that we've had at our dealership at one time.
I totally agree, Dalton.
We're gonna check them out as they're lined up here, and then I think a few of the best ones are still in the shop getting worked on today by the guys, and we'll take a look at those too later in the video. So stick around and let's have some fun.
Let's start off with this 1973 Plymouth Barracuda.
Panther pink.
Yeah, this guy did it in Panther pink. 340 stripes. It does have a built 360 under the hood. Pistol grip 4-speed, really nice black interior, nice paint. And I'll tell you what, this one we just took for a little test drive this morning. It runs and sounds awesome.
I like the wheels, the stance, and I like that color. I feel like Mopar's always had the best colors, the most kind of like out there, you know, stop and turn your head kind of colors.
You're definitely right.
So that one's awfully neat.
This one here, we just got out of the trailer this morning. I went Sunday night and picked this one up. It's a local car. It's been in storage for over 10 years, but a rust-free original 1973 Mustang. It's got great black interior in it. It's got the factory gauges and stuff. Just a really nice rust-free car. I ordered some new torque thrust BFG American Racing wheels. These wheels suck, but
yeah.
It's gonna look pretty cool when we get it done.
It will. And before you guys ask in the comments about prices, a lot of these cars that are out here don't have a price yet because we just got them in and don't know our costs. But there's a few out here that will have prices. And if they do have a price, you'll see it right down here in the corner of the video.
All right. This one here is going to Jay's detail shop pretty quick. It's got new paint. 1969 Chevelle Malibu convertible. No SS clone. They left the Malibu on the steering wheel, 350 in the front emblems, Malibu on the back. They did go ahead and put some SS 350 wheels with BFG tires on it. Original interior in this one, Dalton.
And this is what I mean when I say some of the best stuff we ever had. We have Cudas, we have Chevelle convertibles, we have 2 Chevelle Super Sports, the third Chevelle Super Sport being the 69 down there we're gonna look at. And then in the back, we have a Roadrunner, we have an Impala Super Sport. I mean, just all awesome muscle cars. And we even glossed over a new C8 Corvette that's pretty cool too. But
should we go back to that one real quick?
Yeah, we can peek at it.
All right, this one just came in on trade. I know, like I said, and if you have a classic car that you want to trade in on this new Corvette, you know, that works out great too. This guy traded this in on a 1967 Camaro Orange Resto mod. You might have seen that one a few weeks ago we had here. Beautiful car, and you know what? This one was driven. It's got 20,000 miles on a 21. It's absolutely loaded with options. I have one personally, and they're awesome cars to drive. And this will be for sale on our website and priced at a reasonable price as well.
Yeah, those are a lot of fun too. And like you said, it's perfect because if you want to get into something newer and hey, give us an old car, we're good with that.
This one, beautiful car. You might have seen this one before as well. We sold this, bought it and sold it a few months ago. Guy had a change of heart and wanted to buy something different, so he did. But when he owned this, he went ahead and took the original carburetor off, put all new fuel injection in it, spent about another 5,000 bucks on it, made it really nice. And now this one's gonna be back up for sale here.
That's a really good car too, just very original.
34,000 actual miles.
Yeah. And this one we did a walk around test drive on. It's on the website. And I think one of the coolest Chevelles we've ever had. The color combination's awesome. It's a real super sport, 138 in the VIN. Really hard to beat.
Factory tack gauges. This is an awesome car. Super solid, rust-free car here.
And just laser straight.
We looked at it. Didn't have quarters or nothing in it. Remember, we
original
looked at the
quarters.
trunk?
Yep.
Original floor pans throughout. How about this one though? This one me and Brady went and picked up a few weeks ago, but we did a lot to this. Did a light wet sand and buff. Brand new steering wheel on it. We went ahead, put brand new dash applique. Just went through it, new scuff plates. Did our little Coyote Classic touch. But this is a gorgeous, real 69 Super Sport to my knowledge.
With a 4-speed.
Doors.
Yeah, it came in, still had all the original dash, which was the Super Sport dash, you know, on 69. It's hard to verify a real Super Sport, but this one had all the correct stuff.
It's got the correct trailing arms with it as well. So the box-in rear trailing arms. So I'm pretty sure this is a real deal. And great car. Beautiful bright work. This one's ready to go to detail too. It's a red on red, real Super Sport. 1967. It's got a built 454 to 427 specs with vintage air and a serpentine belt system under the hood.
And another 4-speed manual transmission.
Yeah, you can't go wrong with the 4 speeds. Just a nice car as well.
I feel like we have a lot of 66 and 7 Chevelles right now. We just sold the blue one last week, but I mean, a great lineup. If you have questions on any of these, feel free to call and talk to our sales team. But I'm excited to go to the back and show you a couple of these cars that are not out here because they're getting worked on today.
Yeah, I'm really excited, man. We've been buying about 8 or 9 new cars every week, and because we've been selling that many.
Yeah.
Even though it's still at the end of winter here in Iowa, we've been super busy selling a great product at great prices.
Yep. All right, there's one back here that Riley's checking in that we're pretty excited about, and that is this 1967 red Chevy Impala. Not just any Chevy Impala, 396, 4-speed, like 100% original car.
Buckets, console, perfect black interior, original paint, Dalton. Michael just buffed this yesterday, and you can't believe the difference.
Oh, the paint looks like show quality paint, but when you look really close, you can definitely tell it's original.
It's got some
very, very nice.
It's got some checking. It's got just a little bit, couple little tiny dings here, and you can see just the only rust in the car anywhere I've seen is just a little bit right here. And this is exactly how we're gonna sell it. We're not gonna repaint anything on it. We're gonna sell it as a 100% Survivor. We did notice the only thing when we drove it, it's got tons of balls. I mean,
It does.
a ton. The only thing we noticed that the brakes were pulling, so we pulled all, just like all the cars when we check them in, we always pull all the hubs off, check all the brakes. All 4 wheel cylinders were leaking a little bit. So Riley, what did we do to it?
Just got done finishing up the rear, about moved on to the front.
Got them all replaced, all 4. That's what we're doing.
Yeah, replacing all 4 wheel cylinders.
Good.
Shoes are good.
Awesome.
Did you learn about the rubber gloves from Jason? Is that where you got them?
Well, stuff's not good for your hands, all the fluids and all that.
That's
so
right.
It's just a good.
I just gotta laugh
You
because
and Jay
Jason
are
likes
two
to wear
peas in a
rubbers.
pod. All right, one other thing we did do is we put brand new BFG raised white letter tires on those stock original rims. They had 225 70s on them. Probably kind of what come from the factory. We went ahead and did 235 60s on the front, 255 60s on the back. So.
Can we put this down? Because I think somebody's gonna want to buy it after they see the engine and the interior.
You're that sure, Dalton? Somebody's gonna want to buy this before we get it posted?
I think so. Just because these are cars you don't see very often, and you don't see them very often original like this.
Here's what I'm talking about. It's just so light, but this just shows the original paint. See that little tiny checking in there? Look
And
under here.
This engine is the CE replacement blocks, like a factory warranty block. So this is the original interior, factory tack, 4-speed manual, center console, and then you can even see on that little piece of paper in there, it even said like new engine at 50,000 miles.
54 or something like that, and it's got like 83 or something on it now, original. So yeah, 30,000 miles on that replacement motor, and I think it was like done in the 69 or 70, I think is what it said on that block, what that is, okay?
A really neat car. We're gonna go check out a Roadrunner we got in the back.
Really?
I want to redo this showroom. Be a good time to do it. What's up, Colton? Happy Tuesday.
Well, should we see what's going on in here?
Let's do it.
Hey, Justin. Looks like your elbow's deep in fuel, huh? What do you got going? Just another fuel sender? Probably 80% of the cars that come in here don't have a gas gauge working. I don't know why. It's just the fuel sender, especially probably with this gas that we got, today's gas, those floats just don't work very long, do they? No.
Well, last Friday we sold 9 cars last week, 2 on Friday, and 2 of them were Cutlasses. The blue Cutlass convertible here that Justin's working on, and then a little yellow 72, both going to Atlanta, Georgia.
Yeah. So what happens is when we did sell that on Friday, today is Tuesday morning, we've already got the sold ticket, got it to the shop, and already got the stuff tore apart. Checking on the air conditioning, pulling the tank, getting that kind of stuff ready. So.
Yep. This is the Roadrunner I was talking about. This car I'm very excited about. Tim's buffing out. Great color.
This might be another one you get a ton of calls on before, just from this video, D.
Yep. This is, you told me yesterday, is numbers matching 383?
It is. Yep, numbers matching 383, and it has power steering, which is great. Original color, repainted, and the paint job is gorgeous. Really, really nice.
Timmy's doing a little engine bay detail and a buff on it.
How's the buff going, Tim? Are you about done on that, or?
Yeah, I am done.
You are done buffing it? Good. Yeah,
Holy shit, look at this spare, too.
This is the quality of the whole paint and restoration. Look at that thing. Yeah, it's very, very nice. Solid car. Real original color. I think it's F8, the dark green. And it's got the dark green interior, and the interior is just perfect in it. Dash is nice. I mean, there's just no doubt in my mind that this one is going to sell fast.
Bench seat column shifts like most road
Yeah, that's
runners
what they
were. If
were.
you
They
wanted
were
the
a cheap
buckets,
car, man.
yeah. If you wanted the buckets counts, a lot of guys would go with the GTX.
Yep.
But I love
That's
the road runners. The meep meep
What was that, Dalt?
meep meep
Beep, beep.
meep meep.
How about this?
Who did it better?
I think you did. That was kind of a gay beep beep.
It was a little fruity.
1970, the race winner right here got sold
Yep.
going to Nebraska. Now, this one was a great deal when we got it too. However, it doesn't matter what we pay for the car when we buy it, it's what we end up having to do to it. This one had a bad flywheel, had terrible brakes, master cylinder was shot, all the wheel cylinders were shot, carburetor didn't run worth a shit, there's $650. Hours and hours of work, and we haven't even got it over to detail and buff yet.
Yep.
So, like I said, it doesn't matter what we pay, and when they come in, we make them a lot better when
Yeah.
they go out.
Yeah, we don't send out shit.
Exactly. But this one is cool. It's got beautiful paint. It'll be on the website pretty quick. It's got the SS dash, and we've got every single thing working on that dash. So, rust-free car, great car. What do you think of this one, Mark, now that you're getting all the work done on it?
Like it?
Yeah, I'm fixing a couple things.
Looks like you're getting ready to put that new carburetor on.
For one, I'm not fond of when they plug just the spade terminal into the battery.
Yeah.
I'm putting the correct terminal in there so it don't fall out.
Good idea. Yeah, you'd be on halfway on a power tour or something like that, and you lose your spark.
Yep.
But the serpentine belt system, air conditioning, this El Camino is going to be pretty special when it's done.
Yeah.
But it's just taking a long time to get there.
New carburetor sitting right there.
Cool.
Edinburgh.
Yeah, it matches up good too.
Nice.
What was wrong with the other carburetor? Just
It was wore out. I mean, we just couldn't get it.
we even did a kit on the original car, on that carburetor, but like you said, it wore out and it still leaked by when it sat. So anyway, again, this is going to be a quality, and we did all new bushings and shit on this too, right? All new A-arms, everything, because it was just getting wore out. But again, people look at, okay, you see on Facebook and stuff this car at X amount of dollars, but you get it and you have to spend $12,000 just to get it up to snuff.
And even when you do that, they're still old cars. That's one thing everyone needs to keep in mind is these are still 56-year-old cars with 56-year-old parts.
Yeah, but all we can do is the best we can do, and you're doing it, Mark. Thank you.
I like this Camaro a lot that we're going to be checking out in here. This one we bought from a good buddy of ours, Mike. You like
Thanks,
your
Mike.
Camaro, Mike?
So we're wiping this one down right now. We just went ahead and painted the undercarriage black. It had just a little bit of overspray when they painted it. So we went ahead and did that. So now we have to get all that little overspray off real quick, and then they'll finish the detail. So
Yep, nice white interior, 6-speed manual.
yeah, open that door once. It's a 5-speed Tremec in here.
5-speed Tremec.
Isn't it gorgeous?
Yeah, it is.
Doors, rust-free floors. Doors are rust-free. Factory tack gauges. Everything works on it. This thing's a powerhouse. I don't know who drove it. Brant, maybe? It's freaking fast. So
What's your nickname for this one, Jay? We haven't asked you about a nickname in a long
It's
time.
been months. I don't know. I don't know.
Ask Little J. Mr. Me Little J. He knows.
He don't
Papa
know.
Jay. All right, no nickname for the Camaro today.
Jay's just a little camera shy.
Hey, it's got air too. Check out under the hood
It's got
brakes.
vintage air and everything. Yeah, it's a nice Camaro that's ready to jump in and enjoy.
Thanks for watching this week's walk around. We looked at 4 great cars in the shop, 9 great cars up front. All those are going to be coming to the website very soon. If you see something you like, please give us a call. And also comment down below which one of those 9 cars you'd like to take home. And want to tell them about this
Yeah, I
Nova
will.
we just sold?
While we're doing this this week's episode, just a couple of minutes ago, Dave just sold this 1969 Resto Mod Nova. We sell about 2 or 3 cars a day here at Coyote Classics, so if you see something on the lot, please give us a call, even if it's not priced yet. We'll be happy to help you any way we can.
It's that easy. I mean, someone just bought that in 15 minutes while we were doing the video, so it's very easy. Give us a call. We're sure to help you out and get it to you anywhere in the country, and you're gonna love it if you buy it from Coyote Classics. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.